Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and boost a Facebook post quick and easy. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So I'm just going to go ahead and open my Facebook and head into a post that I would like to boost. First things first, I will need to have a business account. So if you don't have a business account, you're going to have a much of a hassle doing this. So all you need to do is simply go ahead into your business account or professional account into your profile, and as you can see, there's going to be a boost post option. Tap on that and then simply go ahead and choose a goal you want. So it could be get more engagement. You can also add advantage audience. You can also add buttons if you want. You can also choose audience right here if you want to, and placements and so on. Choose your budget from here and click on boost post now. However, I don't recommend you boosting it. I just want to tell you that boosting is just a big waste of money. What you want to do is create ads from ads manager itself rather than just clicking on boost post, right? So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.